In order to change the batteries, you will require two 3-volt coin cell batteries CR2032. Zoe's plastic housing consists of two half shells. These can be prized apart by gently inserting a blunt flat-headed instrument on the right-hand side near the Zoe logo writing. Insert the batteries, paying careful attention to the polarity, plus, minus. The positive polarity must be facing upwards. The housing can be reclosed by gently squeezing together the two half shells. Zoe, the first automatic handbag light in the world.